Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today's recipe is a very tasty and super moist honey cake with strawberry jam. I topped this cake with homemade strawberry jam. Strawberry jam recipe is already posted in my channel. Check the description for the recipe link. So let's see how to make this eggless honey cake. Into a bowl add in yogurt, vegetable oil, baking soda, baking powder and granulated white sugar. Let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes and then whisk it all together till it becomes creamy. Once all the ingredients are well combined, add in all-purpose flour. Now combine it together in a cut and fold method, but don't overmix it. Now pour the mixture into a greased and parchment paper lined baking tray. Level it up and give 2-3 taps to get rid of all the air bubbles. Now bake this in a 180-degree preheated oven for 40 minutes or until a toothpick or a cake tester inserted comes out clean. Now while our cake is cooling down, let's make a simple syrup. Into a pan add in sugar and water and boil it for 5 minutes. Now add in some honey, turn off the flame and mix it. Keep that aside. Now into another pan, add in our homemade strawberry jam. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and heat it up till the jam is slightly melted. Now our jam topping is also ready. Now our cake has cooled down completely. Run a knife through the sides and flip it over. Now using a skewer or a cake tester, give pricks all over the cake. Now pour the simple syrup with honey on top of the cake. As we have given pricks, it will very nicely absorb into the cake. And this makes our cake super moist. Now let's take the melted jam and add it on top of the cake. You can use any type of fruit jams or even marmalades works really well for this cake. And this is a honey cake, so don't forget to add the honey while you melt the jam. The honey really brings out the flavor in this cake. And this honey cake is a well-known dessert in South Indian bakeries, especially in Iyengar bakeries. Now you can cut this into any desired shapes. If you want, you can also top this up with some nuts or desiccated coconut. But I like to keep it plain because I really need the flavor of strawberry jam in each bite of that cake. So there you go. Our super tasty, very moist and very delicious strawberry jam honey cake is ready. This is a perfect dessert or a perfect tea time cake. Each bite of this cake is simply divine. So don't forget to try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.